What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video and we get to unbox number 3 in our advent calendar today. Let me go grab it. I don't know why I'm never prepared. Okay, it wasn't too far. I'm so excited, you guys. I don't even want to introduce anything, blah blah blah. I don't want to talk about any details. I just want to get into it. Now today I have not been on the internet, so I don't know what this is. I've been doing nails all day, but I'm excited to see. Without further ado, ooh, one-way ticket. I remember this color. I think that this was from like September, October or something. Maybe it was the Boston Gel Party, I don't know, or maybe it's new, I don't know, but I thought I've seen this color, the name of it, before. It looks a little translucent. Oh my gosh, I have someone who's gonna love this color. They are going to freak. A lady came and got her nails done yesterday, and this is exactly the color she wanted. Oh my goodness, what a miracle. Wow. Oh, I'm so obsessed. Okay, thank you so much, Madam Glam. I swear to you guys. So I ended up using this builder gel, and it's right here. This was the builder gel that I used on her, but you can see it's more pink, and she wanted it to be more of a brown color. If I would have had this yesterday, I would have scored like big time, but luckily I have it for next time. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Oh my goodness, she's gonna be so happy when she sees that. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. You guys, number 4 is for tomorrow. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna like, if I'm up late tonight, then I'm gonna open it after midnight, and I will show you guys so you can make sure that it's actually after midnight. But that was our day 3 unboxing from our advent calendar by Madam Glam limited edition. You guys, as long as it's available, you can get it on the Madam Glam website. As you guys probably already know, you can always save 30% on Madam Glam with my discount code GoddessNails30. And thank you so much for continuing to tune into my videos. If you are not subscribed but you would like to be notified every single time I upload, then go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. I'm going to be removing my nails today, and I don't know, I guess I could do it right now, but I'm not obsessed with the idea of removing them because I hate the dust, but I really want to get them off, and they are just totally stuck. So what do you guys think? Should I take them off? Well, when I do take them off, I'm going to be showing you guys. Actually, what I want to do is clip them, file off the top coat, and then soak them and scrape them off so I don't have to file very much. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm probably going to film it separately so that I can give you guys a how to easily soak and remove your nails in a timely fashion without damaging your wonderful, beautiful, amazing natural nails. So anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you on the next one. We will be back again tomorrow with day number 4 of our advent calendar, which I am really excited about. So I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Peace, y'all.